I was born with cold feet, watched others sail while life just passed me by. Always thought that maybe my chance would come to catch them by and by. But then I think about motion sickness and I get the move on. Get so worried about moving right that I never travel at all. I wanna wear the devil's boots and dance through the night, walking them for a mile. The devil's boots instead of my own. Warm my feet for a while. Went to church each Sunday, did the things I should and paid an honest jive, all in hopes that one day God would reward me with eternal life. But what about the life that I'm here missing? Feels like I can't catch the ball. Get so scared of misbehaving that I'm not living at all. I wanna wear the devil's boots and dance through the night, walking them for a mile. The devil's boots instead of my own. Warm my feet for a while. Oh, live my life so far from the edge, afraid of it all. All I want is a chance to let loose, and courage, courage to face a fall. Oh, I was scared that one day I'd look back and see a lonely man. Then you came and hey, stole my heart and took me by the hand. I still remember how you loved dancing, wanted to go to that ball. I was scared, but I made it dances. I finally risked it all. I wore the devil's boots and danced through the night, walking them for a mile. Devil's boots instead of my own. Live my life with a smile.